Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you English course standard 3. So today we will finish the chapter. It's unit 8 and the chapter name is Moon and the Monster. And then after it will finish the chapter, then I will give you a few words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary and you should write down it in your fair copy. And before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Please be at home, do not go outside, do not interact with other person, and please follow all the guidelines which government had told to follow due to COVID-19 so that we will be safe from this virus. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from this virus COVID-19. So before starting the new chapter from page number 94, we will take a short look at what we have learned in earlier previous classes related from this chapter only. So we will take a revise of this story, and I'm just going to tell you. So if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So let's start. So it is the story about one boy and one monster. Monster means like an imaginary creature that is very large, ugly and frightened. So here he has one boy is there and suppose that many of us have pet at home as our companions. Now, how do you feel that if you had your own personal monster as a pet? Means monster, it becomes your pet. Now, what happened that we will see in this story, and this story has written by Anushka Ravi Shankar. So first of all, here is written that about the monster rule 1, because monster they have also rules and we have a child and we have also some rules. So monster rule is there that every monster has to follow the monster rules without asking any stupid questions. We have to follow all the rules. So it is the story like about one night in the dim darkness of the his room, the Moin room. Then the Moin heard something like walking slowly without lifting your feet completely off the ground, and sniffling means that making noise, like suppose like this type of, so making noise with your noises with your nose. So he just heard this sound from his under his bed. What's that? He asked. He asked that, who's there? What's that? Then the monster in a very loud shout, he just said that I'm here, means a monster is here. Then where are you? Said the Mon. Then after the Mon said that, where are you, monster? Then the monster replied that obviously the bed with a very dusty old suitcase and a pair of smelly old and blue socks. Oh, that's where those socks are. Then he is just also finding that socks. Then, but why are you under the bed? Why are you not come in front of me? Then, how do I know? That's why monster always are some stupid monster rules, I supposed. Then the monster replied that we have to follow some monster rule, so that's why I can't face you and I can't come in front of you. Then here again the rules came, monster rules 42, that when a monster is sent to human world, means when it's our world, human world, it has to hide under the bed. First of all, it has hide under the bed. If there is no bed, then the monster can hide under a cupboard, or no any cupboard is there, then suitable piece of furniture. And if no suitable piece of furniture, then it has to look for a dark corner, means he has to just be in a dark corner, not in the light. Then the mon he just flash the light under the bed, and he just wants to see that who's the monster and how it's looked. Then, but I can't see you. Then monster said that I can't see you if even I flash the lights. Then that's another monster rule. You can only see me if you can draw me. Then again he said that here is again monster rule is there. If you can draw me, then after you can see me. But I can only draw you. Then Mon said that how I can draw you if I don't know, and if I don't saw you, then how I can draw you? Then if you don't draw me, I will have to stay invisible forever. The monster replied. Then monster said that you have to draw me. Then the monster shouted that and said that it's also a monster rule. If you will disobey the rules, the monster rules, then you will also turn into a suitcase. So it's better that you should follow the rules. Then the Mon replied that how can I draw your photos, even I don't know how you look? Then the monster replied that I can describe myself, and then you can draw me. Then the Mon was not sure, because his drawing was not that much in good so that he can draw exactly what we will describe. So he was not sure about that, because in one's art class he drawn a horse picture, but the teacher thought that it was a map of Maharashtra, and he labeled all his diagram carefully. Even then his art teacher wrote that ha on his paper, means full of insult. So he is not very good in art also. Then still he didn't feel like turning into a boring suitcase. Then so he just Mon just took out his all crayons and paper, and he just waited that monster will describe, then he will draw himself, the monster. Then the monster begins to sing a song, and he described himself in a long speeches. That one poem is there in page number 94, that every like flames and nose like pails, ears like horns and teeth like nails, a scary fearsome sight to see, monster, monster, monster me. Skull-shaped mole on rock-like chin, long green hair and purple skin, in the dark you will scream me to see, monster, monster, monster me. Drum-shaped chest and arms like trees, bamboo legs on and feet like six, terrifying as can be, monster, monster, monster me. Then he just the monster described himself in one poem, like he just said that my eyes is like a flames, and nose is like a bucket, and teeth is like a nails, and ears is like a horns, and like his skull shaped, it is like a mole, and its chin its chin like a rock, and his long green hair, purple skin. And then he said that his chest is like a drum, and arms is like a trees, and feet legs is like a bamboo. Then he just explained himself like a monster he described to Mon. Then he just draw the picture. Then there was a silence. Mon draw the monster slowly and carefully. Then after when the monster explained himself in poem, then after sometimes it become very silence. And then after Mon, he just drew the monster very slowly and very carefully. Finished, asked the monster. Then monster asked that it's finished, my picture has finished. Almost, said Mon, right here you are. Then the Mon said that yeah, it's almost done. You can see it's right now here. Then what happened? How he's Mon has drawn the picture of the monster, that we will see in the next videos, and we will go through the next sentences. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.